Yeah. You fold it in half. What do you want to do?
Oh. Woo!
Close. You just got to make the wings. So these are the wings. Wings.
Chasey, did you make an aeroplane with Daddy? Wow.
There you go. Ready? Ready? Wata! Magic.
Wow.
Down there.
Wow.
See the
Woo!
pointy end? Point the pointy end where you want it to go. Look. See? Point the pointy end where you want it. Pointy end.
Oh, you got it. Here you go, buddy.